Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 23rd, 2022. Let's talk about Dogecoin today. Is this currency going to continue to drop? Is it going to continue to fall before we finally see a breakout occur into the market for this cryptocurrency? Well, I'm going to speak on that today. I'm going to give you all a heads up as to where I am expecting this particular type of cryptocurrency to go without the confusion. So if you guys want to join me, if today is your first time ever seeing my video and my content, then go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We would definitely enjoy you all coming on board so that you all can learn as much as possible as seeing the market in a different viewpoint. All right, so you guys can see from our chart though, I did a price prediction for Dogecoin and the market did not go up. Yeah, I'll even show you the ones that I don't get correct in terms of my price prediction, but when it doesn't, we can still learn from it. I mean, we can actually learn as to why did the market not go up so that we can become better predictors going forward. So let's do that first, and then I'm going to show you what my expectations are going forward for Dogecoin in this particular market environment. So you guys can see it's right here. What would have told us after I did a video on the 9th of February, what particular day can you see would have told you that the market was going to continue to go down? Can you see which day that happened? Because right out from the gate, the market in Dogecoin the first 2 days following my price prediction went down. So that was our first indication to say that this market may not be as strong as what you thought it once was on February the 9th. Right there, those 2 days. So the 10th and the 11th of February, the market did not give us any indications of market strength. And then you guys can see right there on the 13th, this was the day right here that sealed the fate that Dogecoin was going to continue to go down, right? We saw a lot of volume come in on February the 13th, but only to see the price close on the low end of the bar. We tried to break into our price target area, but the market wasn't successful. All of these days gives us indications to say, hey, I tried to bring the price higher, but I couldn't do it. The market is telling us that it couldn't do it. And that was the opportunity for us to go ahead and close out the play, right? That's around 6.46%. Then if you were to get out now, then you're down 14.82%, right? So let me go ahead and get rid of this. And let's try to revamp and see, has anything changed? Because we've been in this market downtrend in Dogecoin for a very long time. The market seemingly is here creating a bottom. Okay, this is the first thing we need to understand and see before we see any breakout occur. We need to see a basis, a foundation to where the market is not letting price fall. And the buyers are coming in right there on our horizontal line. Okay, the buyers are coming in right here around 12 cents. Okay, that's going to be important for any breakout to occur in the cryptocurrency space. Is for the market to become more elevated and more horizontal in this trading before we see any movement high in price. Now, I do like what happened here. Okay, let me show you to you what happened yesterday into the market in Dogecoin. Actually tells us that the buyers still approached the market around 12 cents. So I would say 12 and a half cents is still important for us to realize that buyers need to hold that level. They cannot let the price break anywhere below 12 cents, because if so, this massive downtrend that we're in right now in Dogecoin is going to continue. Okay, so what happened yesterday still confirms that the buyers are still in place. They're still willing to buy up Dogecoin at these cheap prices because they don't want it to fall. Now, it doesn't mean that we're here for a massive bullish run higher. I mean, you guys can literally see that we may still get rejected on this downtrend line and ultimately continue to break and go lower below 12 cents. Yeah, that's throughout 2022 though. So let's see this on the 2-day time frame. So this is Dogecoin on the 2-day time frame, just like what we saw here back in January, right? To where the market in Dogecoin came and bounced off of 12 cents. We're seeing it again. That's the only thing that we can tell that the market currently is doing in Dogecoin, which is a good thing for us to see. We needed to see this. And so far, we have 12 hours and 11 minutes left. We need to continue to see the market in Dogecoin close at the high of this bar. Because if so, yeah, we can still see some uplift in price, but let's not get it twisted. I'm not looking for a price to hit 30 cents, right? That's astronomical. That's improbable as of this particular moment, because the market strength, the air has been let out of the bubble right now in Dogecoin. But for us to be getting like a double bottom is a very good thing to see. Okay, So now let's see this here on a monthly time frame. We only got a couple of days left into the month of February. So let's take a look at what the monthly chart looks like, because this is where the weakness is. If I was to do Dogecoin today from a monthly perspective, yeah, I'll be looking for the price to break 12 cents to the downside. This is not a bullish market right here, not on a monthly time frame. So if you're looking at this from a time perspective, okay, the daily time frame, maybe even on an hourly time frame, is an indication for you to possibly expect the price to go up. But from a monthly perspective, what you're looking at right now is not good. It's weakness right here across the board. But we got 5 days and 13 hours left. So this is a very quick snippet, very quick look as to how the market looks right now in Dogecoin. But if we look the way that it looks right now in the next 5 days and 13 hours, be prepared for the market in Dogecoin to go lower. I'm just saying. And you guys can see right here on the 2 week time frame that this is still being seen as weakness, right? This is not a very bullish market right now. Look at this on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see it here too. So, I mean, what do you all think? How are you all looking at the market? Are you looking at this from a monthly perspective, a daily perspective? What? Because if I play this to the upside, like, I'm not looking for a monumental movement higher, right? 14 cents, possibly 14 and a half, 15 cents. Like, that's about it. So given the current environment in Dogecoin, given how I'm not really seeing a big movement occur in this particular space, I may not put on a price prediction real quick. I don't like it. Okay. So I'm just looking at this on the smaller time frame, minute basis, hourly basis, to see how high we can actually see the price go in Dogecoin, because we may actually be hitting restriction right now. Looking at this from an hourly perspective, and let me show you where it is. So this is where the restriction area currently lies in Dogecoin, right around this area here. So what I'm going to do on this particular video, I'm not going to drop a price prediction here on this chart. I'm going to leave that up to all of our subscribers for you to tell us, what do you think? I mean, does the market look like it's a buy? Does it look like it's a sell? Because like I said, on a daily basis, yes, we may get a very small pop movement up there to 14 and a half, maybe 15 cents, all because of this bounce that we've seen twice occur around 12 cents, right? But from a monthly perspective, that is where I'm seeing the weakness. That is where we can actually see the price in Dogecoin break 12 cents and continue its movement to the downside. But again, considering that we still have 5 days and 13 hours left, I'm not going to put that on the chart yet. So this is kind of like a wait and see period for us to understand what the overall market is trying to do in Dogecoin. And those are also opportunities. Like, you guys don't have to think that everything you have to come in and do a play, that every opportunity, every time you come in and look at a particular cryptocurrency, that you got to come in and buy it or you got to come in and sell it. At times you just need to be chilled. You need to chill out, let the market continue to trade. And once we get more information, understand it'll tell us where it wants to go. And when I get torn between time frames, meaning if I get strength on a daily basis, but then I see weakness on a monthly basis, it kind of lets me know that the market is indecisive as of this particular moment. And when I get that, I don't put on a price prediction. So I'm gonna leave that up to you all today on this video. But regarding, is Dogecoin going to drop further before we see a bullish breakout? You tell me. From my perspective, it does look like Dogecoin is going to continue to fall, but I want to see how we trade for the next couple of days before I get that actual confirmation if it will or if it will not. All right, so this is it. I want you all to drop me a price prediction though. Let me know, let the community know, what do you all expect the market to do in Dogecoin as we go into the month of March, and we'll see what happens. All right, so let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.